How to sell CBD oil online. That's what this video is about. Hello everybody, this is Ralph Martin, the CEO of the Affiliate Resource. And in today's video, I want to talk about, well, how to sell CBD oil online. And answer the question, really, is the CBD oil industry a wise business venture to pursue? Well, in order to answer this question, I want to give you my unique take on the industry. I actually am a laboratory accreditation auditor. And what I do is I audit laboratories such as the FDA laboratories to make sure that they adhere to certain requirements that they're bound to withhold. For example, the FDA laboratories do analysis on things like, well, food and drugs, and fruits and vegetables and that sort of thing. And what they do is they run laboratory tests to ensure that certain harmful ingredients, pesticides, chemicals, and things like that are not contaminant or found to be a contaminant within certain foods that we eat. They do this to indicate whether there should be a recall or something like that. You've probably heard in the news certain, recalls such as lettuce and things like that. And how the FDA determines these recalls is by doing laboratory analysis on the fruit or vegetable or whatever their particular laboratory is designated to do. My point is that these laboratories adhere to requirements stipulated by international regulations, in this case a specific ISO standard known as IEC 17025. This particular standard is a laboratory accreditation standard that gives certain protocol and rules and regulations on how a laboratory should conduct itself. For the FDA, they're required to follow the requirements of this particular international standard, in addition to something called AOAC guidelines, which is Analytical Chemistry Society guidelines that are imposed upon them. Well, in the last 2 years, the cannabis industry has also been regulated by individual states within the United States to become ISO 17025 accredited for the testing laboratories that test cannabis for certain industries, such as the medical industry, of course, the recreational industry, and CBD oil and cannabis products. So these laboratories do testing to ensure that things like pesticides and bacteria and certain chemicals are not contaminating the cannabis prior to it being converted into a product. So now there are quite a few laboratories that do conduct these tests, and they are required to become accredited to this standard. Now, what does all this mean? Well, what this means is that states and laboratories and the regulatory industry in general is making a really big deal about the cannabis industry in general. Why is that? Because it is a huge opportunity for a lot of individuals that are within different areas of the industry. That includes online marketing and affiliate marketing. There are now a lot of affiliate marketing opportunities within the CBD oil industry, as well as other cannabis products. So that was a long way of me answering, is this industry a wise business venture to get into? I would have to say definitely yes. And the really cool thing about this from an online perspective is that there is a large demand and not a lot of competition. So if you are interested in pursuing an affiliate marketing career, this would be a great niche to get into. I have been involved in affiliate marketing for some time now, and I could tell you that this is an awesome industry to get into, and I would highly recommend it. So I have a post. You can check out my full article on this particular industry just by clicking the link below if you're watching this video on YouTube. Otherwise, if you're watching it on this page, Continue to read this, and I will show you how to make money selling CBD oil through affiliate marketing step by step. And put away your credit card. This training is completely free. So this is my unique take. So where do we start? How do we start to sell CBD oil online now that we know that the CBD oil industry is a great business to get into? First of all, what you want to do is start to become familiar with your state or local laws that apply to the various CBD products. Like I mentioned before, the United States regulates this industry within the individual states. So it is the state that is mandating the ISO accreditation, for example. So you want to become familiar with what your local laws are. It is a international standard, so really in general the cannabis industry really is a international opportunity. But if you are in the United States or Canada or the UK, you want to check to make sure what your specific areas regulations are concerning that. That's your first thing. The next step you want to do is really find affiliate products and programs. There are a lot of different products to sell online, and really it is just a Google search away to select CBD oil products. Simply do a CBD oil product search on the internet, and you could read all kinds of different reviews of not only products but companies as well. And I would go ahead and do your due diligence on this. You will get a lot of information from Google. It's not that difficult and really very straightforward. Just read reviews, find out what products are available, and then go ahead and choose, 5 or 6 different products that you would like to sell. Once you've chosen those 5 to 7 or so products, what you want to do is go ahead and enter the name of the product that you found, followed by the word affiliate programs into Google. And what will happen is you'll get a list of a variety of affiliate programs that sell not only CBD oil, but other hemp products that are very popular. And the exciting thing is that people are searching for these products. So it's not like you have to do a big sell. These are people that are actually looking for these products, and then you would in turn provide information and recommend a product, and you would earn income. So I have listed a few affiliate programs here that are quite popular and quite good. But again, I would do your due diligence by doing an internet search. For example, there's CBD Pure, Hemp Bombs, Diamond CBD. And you can just click on one of these particular links and you'll get to the actual affiliate program, what they sell, what commission rate they offer, things like that. And the exciting part about this is these are free to sign up. So you want to look at these programs and sign up and then sell products. Very easy to do. One thing that I would recommend though is that you stay away from programs and network opportunities and things like that that require you to pay. These types of affiliate programs that are legitimate normally don't require you to promote their products because they're interested in, well, promoting their products, and they're willing to pay you to do that. So I would highly recommend that you stay away from programs that you literally have to whip out your credit card for as far as selling the actual product. Back to my review. So, then what you want to do is learn which products people are actually searching for. And this is really exciting because the keyword research that you need to perform is actually very easy to do, although it might seem a little complicated at first. But this whole concept, like I said, it might seem difficult, but it really isn't. It's just a matter of finding out what keyword phrases people are typing into Google for products that they're interested in, and writing an article based on that, and then driving traffic to a recommended product that you earn commission on. It literally is that simple, folks. Keyword research is quite easy to do, especially if you find a good affiliate marketing training program, which on this particular website, click here and you'll get to an affiliate marketing training program that I belong to, known as Wealthy Affiliate. And I'll tell you, they have everything you need to learn how to run a CBD oil business and sell CBD oil online, or really any affiliate product for that matter. So what you want to do is click on this link here that I have provided, and not only will Wealthy Affiliate and the community give you everything you need to, I will also walk you step by step how to set up your CBD oil business once you join. And then basically what you do is you sell CBD oil and other hemp products, because there's a lot more to offer than just CBD oil, folks. There is a whole host of products that is in the cannabis industry. So basically what you do is you create a website, which you can do in literally, I say less than an hour, but you can literally create a website in less than 1 minute. Yes, you can create a website in less than 1 minute and have your domain name set up, have your title of your website set up, everything you need. Then you'll have to provide content. So this is how you earn money, is you basically create content. And within that content, you have what is known as an affiliate link that people click on, and then they go to your recommended product. When they make a purchase, you make a commission. It's that easy, folks. So are you ready to go ahead and learn how to sell CBD oil online? You already have the niche idea if you're reading this post, if you got here, because you're interested in selling CBD oil online, because this affiliate training is really broken down into 4 steps. And step 1 is to determine what niche you want to get into. Well, that's already been determined for you because you want to sell CBD oil online. Very easy to do. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this post, and I'd be happy to answer any of them. And if you're ready to get started on your online business, just click here, join for free, and I will walk you step by step through how to sell CBD oil online. You have an awesome day. Take care.